Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back. We have another awesome case unboxing here, and it's not the normal case, but we have some smaller cases, and they are the Hot Wheel NFT Garage cars, and we got the whole new Series 5 right there. So before we get started into that, I do want to mention I do have a merch store, and on my merch store I do a lot of giveaways, and this month right now is this Hot Wheel RLC Custom Fleet Side. This could be yours right here if you guys hop on my merch store, make a purchase, automatically get entered into this. All the rules and everything are on my merch store. Link in the description down below. Definitely go check it out. I have a lot of awesome stuff, and a lot of the cars in this video are actually going to be on there as well. I do have a bunch of duplicates, and those will be on my website. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. And this does have like a couple days left. So if you guys aren't able to enter this before February 29th, don't worry. I do have another giveaway starting next month. So if you kind of miss the deadline for this car, you're automatically going to be entered into the car following, regardless of if I post or not, because that one will start March 1st. So definitely go check it out. Link description down below. Automatically get entered into this Hot Wheel RLC car. But let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing in today's video. So we got a whole new series of NFT Garage cars, Series 6, and we're going to go ahead and get started with the Aston Martin Valhalla Concept. So let me go ahead and open this up. I went ahead and cut the seals already, but have not pulled these out to look at them. So I'll just kind of pull it out on camera first. And wow, that looks absolutely amazing right there. And these cars are almost like a RLC quality. They have like nice high-end paint. They have real rider tires. They look crazy, and even the package is completely different than like a normal Hot Wheels. And that's the back right there. They all come in these plastic protectors too, which is awesome. Each one has its own individual little cardboard box, and I think this looks absolutely amazing. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the plastic protector so that we can check this thing out up close. And wow, this thing looks so good. And I'm not a huge Aston Martin fan, but I think that looks amazing. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments down below. And you guys can see like the holographic kind of Hot Wheel logo there on the top. And then obviously the car right there. And that looks incredible. Even like that green looks really nice too. The wheels I think look really nice with it as well. It's like a orange chrome. So let me know what you guys think of that. Got that cool accent stripes there on the hood. And I'm not going to be pulling these out of the package. These are very limited Hot Wheels, and I believe these are, I don't remember if it was like maybe like around 4,000 or less. I know some of these are like under 2,000 production run. So these are very limited, very rare, and I think these are absolutely amazing. So that's the Aston Martin. Let me go ahead and set it back in its protector. Set it aside. Let's go ahead and move on to checking out the next car. Alright, so next up we have the 1969 Chevelle SS 360 or 396. Wow, can't even talk. I'm like super excited. And there we go. That thing looks absolutely amazing as well. Wow, seeing that in person looks really good. Usually that does not come up on camera as well. But, man, these cars are incredible. And if you don't really know much about the NFT Garage, I mean, they are, long story short, you get mystery packs, kind of like normal playing cards. And whenever you get certain rarity levels, they're actually eligible to be redeemed for real cards. And these are those real cars. Like I said, they are very limited. And these things are awesome. It even has the little NFT Garage up there in the top corner. The Hot Wheel logo is like that holographic, and man, this looks really cool. Car has some really nice stripes on the roof there, some cool decals down the side. They all have real rider tires and metal top, metal bottom. Like, these things are like literally Hot Wheel RLC quality and are so nice. And then that's what the back looks like. It's pretty much almost the same on all of them, but yeah, that thing is awesome. And I know I've only opened up 2 so far, but let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of these 2. But also let me know what you guys think is your favorite car out of all these as we get to them. And next up, I know it's a car that a lot of people love. A lot of people have it in real life, but the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. So let's go ahead and bust this one open. I'm really excited to see what this looks like in person. And boom, that looks awesome. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah, seeing it through like the little screen on my camera is completely different. Let's go ahead and take this out of the protector. And like I said, I do have duplicates of all these, and actually most of these, so there will be a lot on my website, so definitely you do not want to miss out on these. They are very rare, very exclusive, and man, that looks incredible. And then you kind of see in the picture there kind of like what it looks like. It has like the number 13 down the side. It has almost like some shadow flames, and then also has like the Hot Wheel logo. It has some other designs and different decals and stuff on there. Man, metal bottom as well. Like all these just are super high quality Hot Wheels. Man, that car looks incredible. Even like the little sidewall text on the tires. That's really, really awesome. Man, let me know what you think of that one. I'm not a huge Dodge person, but I think this Challenger looks absolutely incredible. But let me go ahead, set it in the package, set it aside. Alright, and next up we have the 1978 Porsche 935-78, and I absolutely love Porsches, so seeing that Porsche does, or Hot Wheels does Porsches and exclusive cars is amazing. Wow. Dang, this car looks absolutely incredible. I cannot wait to get it out of the protector so I can check it out a lot closer. And oh my gosh, they did an amazing job with that. That's the whole card if you guys were curious. But man, look at that. All the decals, all the designs. That is such an amazing car. They did a great job. Man. And the way the whole back end looks really cool. It has that wing on there. This might be, at least so far, this is probably like my favorite one out of all these. It has the Hot Wheels graphics kind of thing across the top, and it even has the little HW NFTG for the Hot Wheels NFT Garage. But wow, it even has like the Porsche text right there across the nose. Man, this is such an amazing Hot Wheels like car. They did such a great job with that one. I really like that red, the way the decals just really pop, and the way that thing looks overall. That is incredible. Alright, so I don't know how they're going to top that. This might be my favorite one out of this entire unboxing. So we will definitely see. And they always have like 4 of them, and then there's always one that's almost like a Super Treasure Hunt equivalent, or the Super Treasure Hunt of the NFT Garage. And it's the NFTH. But yeah, this one is the 1988 Jeep Wagoneer. So this one is quite a bit different. I know all the NFTH cars are crazy with the card, and boom. Now you see what I mean, and that looks absolutely crazy. The entire card is a gold foil, and the car is actually almost like a matte finish, so as the light reflects, the car still kind of stands out. Alright, let me go ahead and carefully take this out of here. And wow, this looks absolutely crazy. Obviously that really nice purple there. The roof looks really cool as well. Got all those decals and designs there. You can kind of see what I mean about like the picture on the card, how like the truck itself is matte and the whole card is all reflective. That is really cool. But wow, it even has those big giant mud tires on there. Has the 88 on the side. Has like that wood paneling kind of design. And even on this back corner, you can kind of see like the Treasure Hunt little TH there. It has like a little itty bitty like NF in front of it, but this is the Treasure Hunt of the set, and this is absolutely amazing. And not only is this package a kind of gold foil, this one I believe is like limited to only like maybe like 1,200 in the world, or maybe like 1,500, something like that. But also the back is a little different. So this one also has a little window in the back, so you can see the truck on the back side as well. And I think that looks really cool. You guys can maybe see a little bit better. See the wheels on that. And then compared to like the regular ones, it's almost the same. It just made room for the little window there. But this series is the first time ever that not only do they have the regular series, so you always have the Treasure Hunt as well as the 4 other cars. This one also had a ZAMAC car, And in the past, ZAMAC cars are Walmart exclusives, and I believe the ZAMAC stands for zinc, aluminum, magnesium, and copper. And it's like almost like the paint looks like the raw metal. It looks really cool. But they had a special version. So all of these are part of different series. Like in the black stripe, you can see that series. And it says like Baja Blazers. Then you have Hot Wheels Speed Demons. This one says ZAMAC Edition 1. And it is a Porsche 917KH. So this is not like in the normal lineup of the 5 cars. This is almost like a special little side series. But let's go ahead and pull it out and check it out. And wow, that looks absolutely insane. And you got the ZAMAC logo right up here as well. So all the rest actually have the Hot Wheel NFT Garage logo in the top corner. This one just has the ZAMAC logo, which is really interesting. And let's go ahead and pull this out of the protector. Check this one out because I think the card on this one looks like the best. Wow, okay, this one might honestly be my favorite overall now. I'm not too sure if it's this one or the other Porsche, but look at that. That looks incredible. Also, the card, you can see the ZAMAC logo there. So, ZAMAC Edition has like the car and everything. And I really like that design of the card. But, boom, there's the car itself. I think that looks incredible. It has the blue and orange stripe there. And it's almost like a black base stripe with the blue and orange on top. And then it has like the numbers on the side. Even has like the blue, has the same design going down the side and down the middle. It says Porsche across the nose there. And wow, that is such a crazy car. And then it has like the orange chrome ring kind of around the wheels. And then there's like the back end of it. But wow, this thing is insane. So I'm really glad that Hot Wheels did a little bit different. In the previous seasons, you had like the regular mystery packs. This one had like premium packs, and they were like significantly more expensive, and you had a chance at getting one of these. So I did pick up quite a few of the premium packs, and I do kind of have duplicates of this. So definitely stay tuned. You will see these on like my merch store and everything. I don't know how many I'm going to have on my merch store, but if you guys are interested in picking up one of these, I do have some available. Limited quantities, and all of these cars are very, very rare. They are rare, like more rare than like all the modern Hot Wheel RLC cars. These are extremely exclusive, and you can't just go anywhere and buy them. So I think these are amazing, and I believe this one might be my favorite out of all of them. But definitely put down in the comments down below which one of these is your guys' favorite. I kind of want to get them all lined up to check them all out together. All right, so out of all of these, which one is your guys' favorite? I think they all just look absolutely incredible. And this is such an awesome set. But definitely put down in the comments down below what you guys think of all these. If you guys did like the video, definitely hit that like button. I do a lot of awesome videos all the time. A lot of case unboxings, a lot of exclusive cars getting and checking out. And I think these things are just crazy. But definitely hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. And I do have a lot of Hot Wheel races in the form of YouTube Shorts. Every single day I have one go live, and you do not want to miss out on those either. But also don't forget the current giveaway on my merch store. Definitely go check that out. But if you guys did like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.